Hello everyone. Today we'll see about the Docker and its workings. As we all know, in every system we have a basics of hardware and OS layer. On top of it sits the libraries and dependencies for our applications to run. In this case, let's assume three applications written in Python programming language. Everything is all fine. The problem comes when these applications require a different version of Python for them to run on. Let app 1 be developed on version 2.6 of Python, app 2 on 3.6 and app 3 on 3.8. So how do we solve this? One way to solve it is to develop the other two applications on one level of the software. It's not always practical to use. Hence, we have to come up with a different solution. One way to deal with it is using virtual machines. So, as the name suggests, we have multiple virtual machines running on a single system. It's like multiple computers running within a computer. We do this by using a firmware called hypervisor, which is a virtualization software that runs on your hardware. The problem with this is every virtual machine that we create needs its own operating system. And as we all know, operating systems are very, very heavy. So, for even a very small application, the virtual machine that we create is going to be heavy. So, using this technique, it increases both your compute power required and your space required. One way to deal with it is using containerization techniques, and one of the most popular software out there is called Docker. So, Docker is a platform that sits right above your operating system. What it does is the virtualization of your software. It creates individual components called containers, and they have their own set of libraries and dependencies, and they work by using the OS core that's below them. This way, we can make sure that the applications are completely independent. So, different applications like this on 2.6 and this on 3.6 can work together seamlessly on a single system. One thing about Docker is it's much better than virtual machines in different ways. Virtual machines require a lot of space because every virtual machine requires an underlying operating system, whereas Docker uses one OS for all the containers. Hence, it is a very small and lightweight. The boot up speed of VMs is very slow. The reason being it's heavy and it has OS on every VM installed, whereas Docker is very fast and efficient. VMs use a lot of resources and hence they are computationally expensive, whereas Docker, they are efficient in resource utilization, hence they are very much popular nowadays. This is a very simple explanation about Docker, and thank you.